Presenting the final proposal for approval. Securing the green light. Welcome to Lecture 12.2. The culmination of dedicated effort in bid management arrives at the critical juncture of presenting the final proposal for internal approval. This is a pivotal opportunity to articulate the strategic rationale, demonstrate the strength of your solution, and ultimately secure the necessary authorization to submit your bid with confidence. Key objectives of the final approval presentation. A well-prepared and compelling presentation can reinforce confidence and garner enthusiastic support. The key objectives are to provide a concise overview. The goal here is not to read the entire proposal aloud. For a bid on a new IT system, you would present a single slide that summarizes the client's problem, your solution, and the projected financial benefits. This concise overview respects the audience's time and gives them a clear, high-level understanding of the bid. Highlight strategic alignment. You must clearly articulate how the bid aligns with your organization's goals. For instance, if your company's strategic goal is to enter the healthcare market, you would say, "Winning this bid will allow us to establish a foothold in the healthcare sector and position us as a leader in this new market." This shows that the bid is not just about revenue, it's about strategic growth. Demonstrate proposal strength. This is your opportunity to showcase your strengths. You might say, "Our solution's key differentiator is our proprietary analytics engine, which, as our case study on page 15 shows, has a proven track record of increasing operational efficiency by 20%. This highlights your unique value proposition and provides concrete evidence to support your claims. Confirm commercial viability. You must reiterate the commercial aspects of the bid. You might say, "Our proposed price of $1.5 million ensures a healthy profit margin while remaining 10% below the industry average, making it both financially attractive for us and highly competitive for the client." This demonstrates that the bid is both profitable for your organization and a good deal for the client. Secure final approval. The final and most important objective is to secure formal approval. You would conclude your presentation by clearly and confidently saying, "We are confident that this bid is a strong opportunity for our organization. We are requesting your final approval to submit the proposal by the deadline of Friday at 5 p.m. As Seth Godin stated, marketing is no longer about the stuff you make, but about the stories you tell. You are telling the story of your bid. A framework for a successful presentation. A structured approach is crucial. This involves planning and preparation. Before the meeting, you must identify your audience. For example, you might know the CFO is concerned about profitability and the head of the technical team is concerned about feasibility. You would then prepare a compelling presentation deck that includes a slide on profitability for the CFO and a slide on technical feasibility for the head of the technical team. You would also anticipate potential questions from both of them and have well-thought-out answers. Structuring the presentation. Your presentation should have a clear structure. You would begin with an executive summary that outlines the opportunity. You would then demonstrate your understanding of the client's needs, provide a high-level overview of your solution, and highlight your key differentiators. Finally, you would provide a commercial summary that outlines the pricing and terms. This logical flow ensures that all key stakeholders are on the same page. Delivery and engagement. You must maintain a professional and confident demeanor. You would communicate clearly and concisely, using data-driven arguments to support your claims. For example, when the CFO asks about profitability, you would present a slide with a clear chart that shows the projected profit margin over the life of the contract. This uses data to support your claims and builds confidence in your presentation. Addressing concerns. Be prepared to address any concerns or objections raised by the approval panel. For example, if the head of the technical team raises a concern about feasibility, you would be prepared to present a slide that outlines the technical risks and the mitigation strategies you have in place. This demonstrates that you have already thought about the potential challenges and that you have a plan to address them, which builds confidence in your ability to deliver. Key takeaways: the final step towards a winning submission. Presenting the final proposal for internal approval is a critical step that requires careful planning, clear communication, and a persuasive narrative. By understanding your audience, structuring your presentation effectively, and addressing potential concerns, you can significantly increase your chances of securing the necessary green light for submission. This final stage is your opportunity to showcase the culmination of your team's hard work and to inspire confidence in your organization's ability to win.